Hello guys, Best Review for You team is back again with another review on Graphics Creation Workshop. Firstly, we will look at a note from our testers. Then price details, who mainly need this workshop. Also, a recap at everything you'll be getting in this workshop. And the exclusive bonuses that I am going to offer you. Here's what our testers are saying. Simon has put together a very good course here. If you are looking to improve your graphic creation skills, then this new course is for you. You will learn how to create assets for use in your coloring books, using your own graphics, pictures and hand-drawn sketches. A necessary skill, if you like to create unique books for Amazon publishing. There are 7 simple and to-the-point step-by-step videos. This over-the-shoulder training will teach you how to create line art and how to coloring them. You will also get 3 bonus videos on creating interior pages and different page types. Plus, how to find keywords and tips on creating book covers. A useful short little course and a great skill to learn. Thanks Simon. Robinson. I have been working with Simon for over 10 years. He is one of the best at creating custom graphics that I have had the pleasure of working with. This current workshop that he is offering offers so much more than I have ever seen. If you want to learn the process for creating coloring books or develop children's books, Simon is your man. If you have ever tried and thrown up your hands from frustration, or just found the process to be too much, you really need to see what Simon is offering here. Simon is a KDP expert. Thanks for letting me check it out, Simon. Jonathan Murdoch. What's it going to cost you today? I am sure you can see the incredible value here. Don't wait. Grab yours now. I feel that $97 is a fair price for the amount of value you'll be getting here. This will only be available at the crazy low price of just $97 for the launch week, and after the price will rise to $197. This is not false scarcity here, the price will go up after the launch has ended. Save yourself $100 today. Click the buy button right now to grab your copy today. While you need this workshop, here are some benefits of this course. Avoids any copyright issues that may occur as you are the owner of the graphics you've created. Making your own graphics means they are also unique to you and your books. It will save you from buying other high-cost graphics. You will never need to use free graphics that hundreds have also used. Sell your graphics to make extra money. The benefits from taking this workshop will allow you to create your own graphics from your own drawings. These graphics can then be used within your books for KDP, print-on-demand items, websites you've created, Etsy sellers, coloring books, or like myself, you can create graphics packs you can sell to others and make a little extra income. Along with the problems a lot are having with copyrights and having accounts shut down. You won't have this problem, because you are the creator and owner of said graphics. Let's have a recap at everything you'll be getting in this workshop. Graphics Creation Workshop, 7-part video course, value $197. Bonus number 1, Elephants Graphics Pack, value $27. Bonus number 2, Elephants Accessories Pack, value $37. Bonus number 3, Elephants Color by Numbers Pack, value $37. Bonus number 4, Elephants Plus Accessories Packs Colorized Packs, value $47. Bonus number 5, Sea Animals Graphics Pack, value $27. Bonus number 6, Sea Animals Coloring Pack, value $37. Bonus number 7, 40 Sea Background Pack, value $37. Bonus number 8, 20 Sea Backgrounds Colorized Pack, value $47. Bonus number 9, 20 Dragons Pack, value $27. Total value here today, total value $520. I'm sure you can see the incredible value here. Don't wait. Grab yours now. I feel the $97 is a fair price for the knowledge you'll be gaining here. This will only be available at the crazy low price of just $97 for the launch week, and after the price will rise to $197. This is not false scarcity here, the price will go up after the launch has ended. pick it up today to save $100 off the regular price. Hit the buy button below to grab a copy of the graphics creation workshop today. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with a screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have a look at the bonuses. These are not the 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is the review from the Best Review For You team. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below.